Leveraging your Amazon employee discount can be achieved through two straightforward methods. The first involves accessing the dedicated Amazon employee portal at a2z-login.amazon.org. By logging in with your credentials, you'll be granted access to the employee-exclusive dashboard, where you can seamlessly apply your discount. The second approach is to navigate to the internal Amazon website, inside.amazon.com. This will direct you to a login page where you can enter your username and security credentials. Once authenticated, you should see the employee discount option within your account, allowing you to conveniently utilize the savings. Regardless of the method you choose, the key is to ensure you're accessing the appropriate employee-specific platforms provided by Amazon. By following the simple steps outlined in either option, you can effortlessly take advantage of the discounts available to you as an Amazon employee. This can lead to valuable savings on your Amazon purchases, making the most of the benefits offered by the company.